Hello everyone, ako si Abby at ngayong Biyernes Santo, I just want to take a moment to really remember and to reflect. Biyernes Santo is not just about silence or tradition, it's about sacrifice. It's a day we remember how Jesus gave His life for us, not because we were good or not because we deserved it, but because He loved us so much. Can you imagine? Walang kasalanan si Jesus. He was pure, holy, sinless, pero tinanggap niya ang kaparusahan na para dapat sa atin. The pain, the betrayal, the beating, the crown of thorns, and the nail, lahat yun tiniis niya para lang tayo maligtas. He could have said no. He could have called angels to rescue him. But He didn't because He saw you and me and He knew we were worth saving. That's what love looks like. Not just word, but a cross, a sacrifice. And today, as I sit in this quiet moment, naalala ko lahat ng kabutihan ng Diyos sa buhay ko. May mga times na naliligaw ako, nadadapa, nakakalimot, but still His grace pulls me back because that's what the cross means. It means there's always a way back. Hindi lang siya namatay, He redeemed us from shame, from guilt, from sin. Binayaran niya lahat so we can live in freedom, in hope, and in love. So today, I pause, I pray, and I thank you, Jesus, for the cross, for the blood, and for choosing me even when I didn't choose you.